Hi Todd, my name's Craig with West Coast Connects, and in this quick video I'm just going to go over a few things that you could start doing for your website for your business to help bring in more customers. We've worked with a lot of individuals to show them sort of techniques, tools, and tips, and we found that a lot of business owners have realized that we are able to help them and have put some trust in our business to help grow their company. So if at the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that we have a lot of tools and techniques that can help your business grow, then shoot us a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan and tips and strategies that I gave you today and use them yourself, that totally works for us too. So let me not waste any more of your time and go over a few things that you could start doing to help bring in more customers to your business. So the first thing I want to talk about is going to be content. So scrolling through your page, I will say I like the little video you have at the beginning. It's pretty cool and it plays pretty smoothly, not like a slow frame rate. I would say that you definitely want to add more content. So one way we can look at this is a tool I use called SEO Quick. And if we just look at it right now, we can see that you have a total of about 1,551 words or total content. So that can be anything that you can highlight. So your photos count as content, whatever you have them saved as. Each of these, all of this is content. And the reason you want to meet that 1,500 words, because that is the minimum, is it's just one of the areas Google has highlighted that they want to look at when they are ranking websites. But what's more important than that is going to be the keywords you're using. So we can see here you have citing 90 times, windows 87 times, and roofing 77 times. You also use your name tri-state a lot, and those are the biggest ticket items you have. Now, the way keywords work is when somebody types something into Google, obviously the algorithms are going to look for those words. So you want to make sure that you're using words that you want to be found for. So you're doing a decent job at that with the citing and windows and roofing. The only thing I would suggest here is probably adding some city stuff specific so that you can kind of narrow down that customer base to just, Toledo or the tri-state area. So example of that is, as you can see, I typed just roofing company Toledo, Ohio, and one of the top competitors is this 4 guys and a roof right here. So just looking at their website, it's kind of similar in the sense of the color scheme, but the formatting's a lot different. Theirs is much more more open space and larger words, where yours is kind of consolidated a little more. But regardless, both sites are very nice. But the one thing I will say about this website that they're doing a pretty strong part as is some of their words and their organic keywords that they're being found for when looking at that. But I want to take a more deep look and show you one more thing that can really help your business, and that's going to be your SEO and your backlinking. So if we take your URL and we type it into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, we'll be able to see exactly the kind of tools or the type of backlinks that you have. So you have 35 backlinks, right? And that's going to be on your main page here. So just to verify, we'll do that again. Paste. Yeah, 35 links. And I just wanted to verify because I think I was on your roofing page originally. So what a backlink is just a link from one website to another website. So linking from any type of other website to yours transfers that power. And the power is kind of what shows Google that you have authority. It's basically a popularity contest. They want to see that other websites are pointing at you to show, it kind of shows Google that you have authority. Now, the next thing the reason this matters is because Google really drives their ranking. So the way you get to this top of this page right here is going to be through that rank system and through these strong backlinks. So the more backlinks you have, the better. But it's more than just quantity. Quality is a huge part. You want to make sure the websites you're targeting have those URLs that are powerful so that they can give you some more power, or link juice as we call it. So again, if we look at your competitor here, we can see that I already plugged them in prior, and we can see that they have 879, almost 880 backlinks. And one thing I didn't talk about on yours so much is that they're being found for 127 keywords, and they're driving in almost 200 clicks a month. Whereas none of your keywords are being found in the traffic. So the way the keyword's being found, basically when people type things in, your website's not being pulled up for them. That's just how that kind of breaks down. And no traffic. So you can kind of see just how important this is in driving you up and getting you more clicks. More clicks obviously equals more customers. So in conclusion, we talked about a few things today. We talked about content and just making sure you maintain that good content, but also using the words that you want to be found for. Next, we talk about not only just using those words you found for, but making sure that they get found in basically indexed for the organic searching. And then lastly, we talked about backlinks and how you want to make sure that not only you have a steady number and are beating this number, but that you have good referring domains and a strong website build so that we can get you to this 200 traffic. Now, if you implement these strategies, there's no doubt you'll start climbing in Google. So what now? Well, you could take these things that I showed you today and start implementing them and start growing up on Google on your own. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and see what other strategies we have that can bring you to the front of Google and bring in more customers to your business, then give us a call or just reach back out through this email. Thank you and have a great day.